Hi CB, my name's Miss Hanshoe and I'm here to talk to you about mock trial at Christian Brothers. Mock trial is for you if you have an interest in the law, if you are interested in improving your public speaking skills, or if you have any background or interest in acting. So mock trial is a competition between local high schools in the area. In a normal year, we go to the courthouse and argue a full court case. I'll talk a little bit more in a minute about what it will look like this year, but typically we're at the courthouse competing against other schools, and it does simulate a real court case proceeding. There's one single case every year that we get to know very well, and the students, you as the students and the team, assume the roles of attorneys, witnesses, bailiffs, court recorders, etc. Anyone is welcome to join us. Possible roles, as I mentioned, include anything from a lawyer to even a team manager. So depending on where your interest lies and what you are intrigued in learning more about, the roles range anywhere from a lawyer down to a bailiff or a timekeeper, a team manager, etc. This is a picture of our team last year at the courthouse. This year, the competition will be entirely virtual, and so what that means is we will still compete against other high schools, and as in years past, there will be scoring judges who, scoring attorneys who give feedback and kind of help guide our teams as they move into the next round of the competition. There's 4 rounds of the competition to begin with, and we go against a different school every time. So there will be tryouts this year for various roles, so we encourage you, if you're interested, to come early, talk to me or Kayla Raby or Brooke Koenig, our 2 mock trial presidents. If you have any questions, be sure to attend our meetings early and ask any questions if you're interested in participating. We'd love to have you. We will be meeting on Wednesdays via Teams after school, possibly Mondays later in the year. The competition itself is in February, and there's one round of competition each week. So as we move closer to February, you can expect that the team will be meeting about twice a week once we get closer, twice or even 3 times a week in January and February. The case this year is a burglary case, so it looks to be a fun and exciting case. And last but not least, if you are interested in joining us and just learning more information, you can always feel free to email me, to send me a Schoology message, or just go ahead and join our Schoology group with the access code that is listed below here. And please join us next Wednesday, September 30th, to learn more. We hope to see you. Thanks.